Hi ladies, it is week 3 of June. We are on June 15th today. It's Monday. Today in your packet you will be on lesson 1, problem set. That's what it'll say at the top right hand corner. Your learning target for the day is I can use manipulatives to create equal groups. So I have directions up here and it says circle groups of 3 circles. We want to make them equal. Remember, when we're doing arrays, we want to make them equal. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to start circling. Now, just be careful when you circle because this has happened before. Say I circle something like this. And then I have to do this. You have to just make sure whatever you're doing, you're creating 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it could get a little funny on you, but just make sure there's 3 circles in each group. So there are blank groups. Well, how many groups are there? The groups are the things that we circled. So this is a group, this is a group, this is a group, and this is a group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of blank circles. Well, how many circles are in each group? We have 1, 2, 3 circles, 3 circles here, 3 circles here, 3 circles here. So there are 3 circles in each group. So total, just for fun, let's count. We have, or you could make a repeated addition sentence, which we'll be doing tomorrow. So you could count all your circles, or you could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So total you have 12 circles, but there are 4 groups, which you circled, of 3. So that'll be for Monday, June 15th, lesson 1, problem set on the top right-hand corner. Next, we're going to go into Tuesday. So here we go. All right, ladies, so it's June 16th. It's Tuesday. Your problem you'll be doing in your packet today is labeled in the top right-hand corner, lesson 4, problem set. So today we're focusing on repeated addition, and it's going to show you in these problems, we're going to have some that have tape diagrams. So here we have a tape diagram, and in this tape diagram, there are 3 circles in each box. So what I need you to do is think of these boxes in the tape diagram as groups. So this box is a group, this box is a group, and this box is a group, which is what we did yesterday. And these groups are all equal because these groups all have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They all have 3 circles in each of them. So today with our repeated addition, all you have to do, look at your groups. Here's one group, and you write the total amount of circles in each group. So there's 3 here, and we need an addition sign. There's another group here, and it has 3 circles in it. You do your addition sign, and then there's another group here, and that has 3 circles in it. So then we just add, and you can do your doubles. So 3 plus 3 will give you 6. Then carry this down. 6 plus 3 is going to give you 9. So your total is 9. However, we want to see that blank groups of blank. That's our sentence that we've been practicing. So how many groups are there? There's 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So there's 3 groups of how many circles are in each group. And each group has 3 circles. So there's 3 groups of 3, which is going to equal 9 total. And there's the lovely dogs. Okay, so this is for June 16th, Tuesday, lesson 4, problem set. And that's your repeated addition with your tape diagram. So let's go to Wednesday now, June 17th. So today for your learning target, we have I can decompose arrays into rows and columns and relate to repeated addition. So that's what we'll be doing today. It is Wednesday, June 17th. This will be lesson 6 problem set. That's what will be labeled on the top right-hand corner of your math packet. So here is our mini lesson of the day. We have, it says to circle the columns and circle the rows. So remember, columns, the L in columns goes vertical or up and down. So your columns are going to go up and down or vertical. That's the vocabulary word that we like to use. So we start just like you're reading a book towards the left-hand side. This is one column. This is another column. So now it says blank columns of blank. Well, how many columns do you have? You have one here. You have one here. So 2 columns of, and then you have to count to see how many are in each column. You can also think of a column as a group, just like we did yesterday. So in this circled column that I did, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, and I like to just make sure that my other column has the same amount of circles. So in this second column, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So there are 2 columns of 4 circles. So how I would solve this is I would do, there's 4 in this column, and then there's 4 in the next column. So we do 4 plus 4, which is going to give you 8. So there's 8 total. That's your repeated addition sentence. If we go over to our rows are going to go horizontal, like you're rowing a boat. Horizontal. So circle your rows. Well, your rows are going to go this way and this way. So how many rows do you have? You have 1, 2 rows. I like to label them. So you have 2 rows of how many? Well, now you have to go back into that row, or you can think of it as a group, the one that we circled. And this row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check with the second row. The second row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each row, there is 5 circles, 2 rows of 5. So now we have to make our repeated addition sentence. Well, in our first row, we had 5 circles. In our second row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. So 5 plus 5 is going to give you 10. So that is your Wednesday lesson. Remember, lesson 6, problem set. Reach out to your teachers if you have any questions. We will be going to Thursday now, which is going to be June 18th. Here we go. Hello, today is June 18th, Thursday, June 18th. In your top right-hand corner of your packet, you will be completing lesson 15, problem set. That's what it's labeled as. So today your learning target says, I can use math drawings to partition a rectangle with square tiles and relate to repeated addition. So you will see on this page that you will have the graph paper printed out for you on the page. I tried my best to draw it. So I'm just going to zoom in the computer right now just so you can see it. So that's my grid, my graph paper that I drew, and I just colored it over so you could see it better. And you are going to be, it's going to give you directions. So it says shade 6 columns of 2. Your key word right here is columns. So I'll be using a pencil. And you're going to shade 6 columns. What I would do first is count. So here's 1, 2 columns are going vertical up and down because of the L. They go vertical. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each column, I'm just checking my work. I have 6 columns, but then I need 2 in each. So, okay, so that's 1, that's 2, that's 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so I would shade this right here, staying in the lines, just easy shading. So then just check your work. 6 columns. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and there's 1, 2 in each. Yep, 6 columns of 2. So now let's make a repeated addition sentence. And I'll back it up for you right now. So it says, write a repeated addition sentence. Well, You have how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. And how many are in each column? 2. So you're going to do your 2 plus 2 plus your next column, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So you should have 6 2's all together because you have 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. Go so you can see. And then you add. So actually, let me move this over so we can add. I know you can skip count, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just brought it up top because now you can combine them. So doubles can go together. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And we can add. We know 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4. What's 8 plus 4? It's going to give you 12. So you have a total of 12 in your array. So that's what you'll be practicing for Thursday's homework. Remember, Friday, I'm trying to confirm this. Friday is a review. So Friday, June 19th, is a review of the whole week that we've done on arrays. So rewatch the videos if you need to, reach out if you need any help, and let us know how you're doing. I hope you have a great rest of your week and weekend. I will see you later. Keep up the great work, ladies. Oh, and also make sure you are sending a picture of your work to your teacher on Fridays. That is extremely important for your grade. Bye.